First of all, I'm going to selecting the pen tool, and now I'm going to selecting my section first of all. So first of all, you have to select the area where you want to insert another photo. Then press Ctrl Enter to make the selection, and here you can see the selection line is showing now. And then go to your another photo tab, and here click on select, click on all to select your entire photo. Then click on edit and click on copy. Once you successfully copied your image, go back to your original photo tab where you created a photo selection. And now to insert this photo into this selection, all you have to need, click on edit, click on paste special, and here click on paste into, and the keyboard shortcut is Alt Shift Ctrl V. And here we can see I've successfully inserted the photo into the selection. To resize your photo, press Ctrl T to enable the free transform, and here using this free transform tool you'll be able to easily resize, and you can change image position, and then just click on OK, and that's it.